Hello fellow coders! Welcome back to Python tutorials, where we explore the intricacies of programming and dive into the latest trends and patterns. I'm Ida, and today we've got a fascinating topic on the table, the Fluent interface pattern in Python. Stay tuned because we're about to unravel how this pattern can make your code not only powerful, but also a joy to read. Now, have you ever wanted your code to read like a story? That's where the Fluent interface pattern steps in. It allows you to connect method calls seamlessly, creating a specialized language for a specific domain. When implemented well, I must stress that, it's like crafting a linguistic masterpiece in code. But enough talk. Let's see how this works in Python. First things first. In our Python implementation, the methods need to return it themselves. The methods in the class need to return the object of that class. So we start by importing this requirement. There we are. Now, let's delve into a simple example, the creation of a Fluent interface for an address type. Let's see what that looks like in Python. It isn't too difficult, I promise you. Let's make this thing a bit bigger and reformat it. There we are. A few notes before we move on. There's no explicit constructor. Instead, each method, except for the str method, returns self, which is an object of the class address. This allows method calls to be chained, as we'll see shortly. The str method is a utility, a convenience method, if you will, to make printing the address easier. Testing time. Now let's see our setup in action. These 4 lines. Here we create an empty address. Then through method chaining we set its field. Finally we print out the address to ensure the fields have been set correctly. And let's see if this works. And it does. By the way, this is not my address. In conclusion, the Fluent interface enhances code readability and flexibility. However, like any tool, it may not always be the best choice. Consider trade-offs, as while it improves readability in some cases, it could lead to unwieldy chains of method calls, increasing complexity. Well, that's a wrap for today. I hope you enjoyed our exploration of the Fluent interface pattern in Python. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more coding content, and let me know your thoughts in the comments below. So, until next time, happy coding!